Hi everyone, I am Dr. Pavitra Lochni. I have completed my Masters in MPT in Neurology. Currently I am working in Department of Neurology, Faculty of Physiotherapy, Dr.M.G.R. Education and Research Institute. Today we are going to discuss about balance assessor. Actually its name is B-Track Assessor, which is used for balance assessing. We have purchased this particular equipment around 2022. Okay, it cost around 7 lakhs. So today we'll go with the mechanism, how it works, and how we used to do for a rehabilitation purpose. So we will be using this particular balance assessor for many conditions, okay, where we lag with balance, whether it is a musculoskeletal balance loss or a neurological balance loss. A proprioception can be assessed, vestibular function can be assessed with this particular device. So it has a software which we call it as an B-Track Access. So we have to go into it. So this app is installed in the system. With this particular system and the balance track assessor and the firm board cost around 7 lakhs together. So initially we have to go with manage profile to add a patient's detail to create their profile. So we'll create a profile with a model. So first we have to enter the patient name. Unga per enna? Date of birth?
29.
Okay. So we have to create the patient profile first and get back to the start, and we have to go with the start protocol. So we have already saved that particular patient's profile. So we'll go with the existing profile and search for his name. Okay. We have many criteria to which we are going to target for the assessment, whether the balance or the fall risk or weight distribution of bilateral limbs or modified CT-SIB or limits of stability, cervical challenge, single leg stance, right and left targets, front and back target, diagonal targets, random target, target tracking and custom design. Depends on this particular assessment which we needed for the patient to be done, we can choose this particular things to be done. Okay, so I'll go with modified CT-SIB. Today we'll check modified CT-SIB for a patient. Kindly stand here. Okay, look at the wall straight, keep your hands relaxed. Close your eyes. Sorry, open your eyes, open your eyes. Relax. So now eyes closed, keep your hands on your hip. Yes. Eyes closed. See, actually all the instructions to the patients will be given here, whether the eyes should be open or eyes should be closed, The timing will be counted for 20 seconds where the patient has to stand on the board with eyes open and the eyes closed. Yes, relax. Okay, get down. Now we are making the patient to stand on a firm. Stand it over there so that your heel has to be bit back. Now we made the patient to stand on a firm so that we have to assess how that particular dynamic balance works. Okay, see straight, keep your eyes open. The same timing will be counted for that particular thing. Okay, now we should ask the model or a patient to close the eyes. Close your eyes. Don't open until I say. Relax. Relax. So the result will be seen with the percentage how much the person is having a standard level of balance, a proprioception and vision and vestibular related. This particular results or depends only on balance tracking system. So if you want to assess the prognosis of the patient, it has to be assessed only with this particular device. So if you see this particular result shows a standard balance shows around 86% of balance. In proprioception, the patient is having 97% of proprioception and the vision is 32% and the vestibular system works up to 87%. Everything shows a better result except vision. Now we should suggest the patient to focus more on a vision. Previously we were seeing about a modified CT-SIB. Now we will go with weight distribution of a limb, bilateral limb. Okay. So we will go with the weight distribution. We will go with the baseline assessment. We will ask the patient to stand on the board. The instructions will be given already in a screen. That is how the patient to be standing in a board in a proper way where the medial malleoli should be in a proper symmetrical alignment. So it is capturing the weight distribution and center of position of the body alignment. So we can end it whenever we want. We can ask the patient to stand it for 10 seconds or 20 seconds, depends on your convenience. So I will give end test. So result will be captured over that particular thing. Relax. Next we will go with balance and fall risk assessment. Okay, we'll ask the patient to stand on a board. So this particular assessment will be used for a practice trial 1, trial 2, trial 3. Okay, we can take the mean of that particular balance assessment and fall risk assessment. It maintains for 20 seconds. So this is a practice. Next we will continue with trial 1. Now I'll go with trial 2. Okay. So all the trials were over. So I'll save it in So this will be the result for this particular assessment, where the average result is 12 path length and the fall risk assessment shows low risk. And the patient's balance percentage is 99%, which shows very good balance. So this is how we use this particular, thank you. This is how we use the balance assessor for all the sort of balance and fall risk assessment, weight distribution of the lower limbs and everything. This balance assessor is useful for a research purpose and for a patient assessment purpose, and UG students and PG students, PhD scholars uses this particular balance assessor for their study purpose, and it gives a reliable result for any study. Thank you.